Imagine ordering food at your favorite restaurant, and instead of a person, an AI takes your order. It promises speed, precision, and no mistakes. But what if it gives you bacon in your ice cream, or charges you $300 for chicken nuggets? This isn't fiction. It's happening right now. The same AI that was supposed to revolutionize business might actually be breaking it. Today, we're uncovering how 95% of companies fail after integrating artificial intelligence, and why the so-called AI revolution might already be in a bubble. Welcome to Montory, where we dive deep into the untold stories behind technology, money, and power. Since 2023, companies across the US, from Taco Bell to McDonald's, have rushed to automate with AI. But instead of profits and efficiency, they've found chaos, confusion, and customer backlash. So, what went wrong? And is AI really the future? Or just another .com style bubble waiting to burst? Taco Bell rolled out voice-based AI in over 500 stores. The goal? Reduce mistakes and speed up drive-thru orders. The result? Frustrated customers, mixed up meals, and a lot of, "I didn't order that." McDonald's had its own experiment. An AI drive-thru that confused drinks with desserts and added random items worth hundreds of dollars. Both companies have now pulled back, proving that even the biggest names can struggle when they trust AI too much. A recent MIT study surveyed 500 companies that introduced AI into daily operations. The results were shocking. Only 5% of those projects generated measurable profit. The remaining 95% either failed or showed no real impact at all. This revelation rattled investors. Nvidia's stock dipped by 3.5%, and Palantir's dropped nearly 9%. But before we assume AI is dead, let's look deeper. The report didn't say AI can't work. It said most people are using it wrong. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Today's AI, especially chat-based systems, doesn't know anything. It just predicts the next likely word based on patterns. That means sometimes it simply makes things up. These hallucinations sound convincing, but they're often completely false. Businesses using AI for reports, patient summaries, or scheduling soon discovered this the hard way. One Reddit user shared, "We bought AI scheduling software to save time. Now we spend double the time checking its mistakes." That's not efficiency, that's expensive chaos. Across industries, stories like these are everywhere. Medical offices where AI confuses doctors with patients, banks firing employees only to later beg them back, and companies like Claire, which replaced over 1,000 workers with AI, only to watch customer satisfaction plummet. A Fortune magazine report summed it up best. Cutting people in the name of AI is short-sighted. It's not just bad ethics, it's bad business. Because while AI can automate, it still can't innovate. To be fair, it's not all doom and gloom. That same MIT report showed that startups and young companies that focused on one specific AI use case, like data automation or targeted customer support, are thriving. Some have gone from $0 to $20 million in annual revenue in under a year. Their secret? They didn't replace humans. They partnered with them. Companies that collaborated with specialized AI vendors succeeded twice as often as those building tools in-house. AI works best when it's precise, narrow, and well-trained, not when it's thrown at every problem like magic dust. If this all sounds familiar, it should. In the late 1990s, companies added .com to their names and watched their stock prices soar, until the bubble burst. Today, AI feels eerily similar. Meta owns over 600,000 NVIDIA GPUs, yet has no groundbreaking scientific results like Google's AlphaFold. Meanwhile, power usage in the US has risen 4%, fueled by data centers built for AI experiments. Trillions are being borrowed and invested, all betting that AI will change everything. But if hallucinations, high costs, and unreliable performance continue, we might be heading toward the AI crash. If AI doesn't evolve soon, we might see 5 things happen. Businesses lose faith after repeated failures. AI leaders admit that current large language models are a dead end. Public frustration grows as people get tired of AI everything. Investor money dries up. A new generation of smarter, more efficient AI models rises from the ashes, just like Google and Amazon did after the dot-com crash. Maybe that's when we'll finally meet the real AI revolution. So the question isn't whether AI will change the world, it's when. Are we still at the hype peak or already sliding into the trough of disillusionment? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because on Montory, we uncover the truth behind technology's biggest promises.